What's the meaning of counterclockwise? Counterclockwise. Counterclockwise.
Counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. Counterclockwise is a direction of rotation opposite to the direction that clock hands move. It is commonly used in mathematics and physics to describe the direction of a rotation or angular movement. When an object is rotated counterclockwise, it turns in the opposite direction of a clockwise rotation. For example, turning a screw counterclockwise will cause it to loosen, while turning it clockwise will cause it to tighten. Counterclockwise rotation is also observed in weather patterns, such as hurricanes, which spin counterclockwise in the northern hemisphere.